Lalo na po si pamilyang mayo pang nakagraduar ng college. Kung example ngayon sa Zona 1, tulo ang nag-apply. Nahiling ni si Saro na sa pamilya ninda pang nakagraduate, maski Saro, automatiko, iyo na to ang kukuanon kang barangay na scholar. Okay? Para po ang mga pamilya sa igualdad, maski ba kung kapos graduate, at least may nakagraduate ng salong kolehiyo sa bawat pamilyang igualdenyo. Malinaw po? Malinaw? So sa limang iyan, kada zona, pirming may sarong makukuha. Bako lang yan sa sarong zona, gabos 5. Sa zona 6 na akong estudyante, sarong lang po ang kukuanon. Sa zona 1, sarong man. Sa zona 3, sarong man. Zona 5, sarong man. Pero 4th year college student only. Okay? Malinaw? May hapon, may hapon. Ready na mga candidates sa balikan na ng competition. Ladies and gentlemen, Igualdeños, let's welcome on stage the Mrs. Nutrition Month 2026 on their Nutri-Gown competition. Let's give them a big round of applause, please.
Inside, the danger gets me high. Can't help myself. Got secrets I can't tell. Oh, the smell of gasoline. I love the master taste of heat. I've always liked to play with fire.
Sponsored by the Inc. and Government of National Equal Government. Courtesy of that. The Strawberry Girls 5. from Zone 6A. Ryushi Paligro. She is wearing Maíz Tropiano. A recycled gown from the trees of air. Ang Cleopatra ng Zone 6A. Thank you very much. Let's welcome now on stage our next candidate. Ang Wednesday Adams ng Barangay Iguta. Ngayon siya po ay si Timberbell Iglo Gadget. Ibisra. As you stated earlier, when life gives you lemon, mix lemonade.
I've always liked to play with
Palakpakan naman for candidate number 8. Hindi ko makakalimutan, Wednesday Adams. Let's welcome now ang reyna ng Igo, Tabog-Tabog at mga kapatid from Zone 6B, candidate number 9.
washing as the flames get higher. I've always liked to play with
Hindi po yan marijuana. Yan po ay ubas. Ubas na pampasigan ng buhay. Ang ubas ni candidate number 9. Opo, ubas yan. Candidate number 10 from the Engineer Parents Organization. The delivery gown of candidate number 10 is sponsored by Epson L3210.